Have you ever pondered the question, what would be the dominant species without humans? Picture a world void of human influence, where the concrete jungles of cities have been reclaimed by nature, and the hum of technology has been replaced by the chorus of wildlife. This isn't a dystopian tale, but rather an intriguing thought experiment into the nature of dominance and adaptability in the animal kingdom. We humans like to think of ourselves as the reigning species on Earth, and for good reason. Our intelligence, ability to shape our surroundings, and sheer population size have allowed us to spread to every corner of the globe. But what happens when we remove humans from the equation? Who, or rather, what steps into our shoes? Dominance in the animal kingdom isn't simply a matter of who's the biggest or the strongest. It's a complex interplay of traits such as intelligence, adaptability, and population size. Take ants, for example. They might not be the smartest or the most formidable individually, but their sheer numbers and ability to adapt to different environments have seen them thrive across the globe. And what about dolphins? Their high intelligence and complex social structures make them strong contenders. Or perhaps the insects, whose collective biomass far outweighs that of all the vertebrates combined, would rise to dominance. But then we must also consider the role of environmental changes. A world without humans might see a resurgence of large predators, or perhaps the warming climate would favor those who can survive in extreme heat. The possibilities are as varied as the animal kingdom itself. So as we stand on the precipice of this hypothetical world, one thing is clear. The question of dominance is not a simple one. It's a puzzle that requires us to delve deep into the intricacies of the animal kingdom, to unravel the complex web of interactions and adaptations that have shaped life on Earth. Now, let's venture into the realm of the hypothetical and explore which species could potentially rise to dominance without human interference. Our closest relatives, the primates, come to mind as potential successors. These creatures, both intelligent and adaptable, have long captured our imaginations. Their social structure, often complex and dynamic, mirrors our own in many ways. From the smallest marmoset to the mighty gorilla, primates demonstrate a remarkable ability to learn, solve problems, and adapt to a wide range of environments. Take a moment to consider the iconic image of the chimpanzee using a twig to fish out termites, or the orangutan crafting a makeshift umbrella from leaves. Their tool use and problem-solving skills are a testament to their cognitive abilities. It's not hard to envision them stepping up to fill the power vacuum left by humans. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. While films like Planet of the Apes are thrilling to watch, they remain firmly in the realm of fiction. The reality is much more complex. The Earth is vast and diverse, and not all environments are suitable for primates. What about the vast oceans, covering more than 70% of our planet? Imagine a world where the dominant species isn't bound by land, but instead thrives in the deep blue depths of our oceans. Two strong contenders for this underwater crown could be dolphins and octopuses. Both are renowned for their remarkable intelligence, adaptability, and advanced problem-solving skills. Dolphins, with their sophisticated social structures and communication skills, could potentially create underwater societies, transforming the oceans into a bustling metropolis of marine life. On the other hand, octopuses, with their ability to manipulate their environment, change color, and even mimic other species, might develop their own unique kind of underwater civilization, one that is as alien to us as life on another planet. In the aquatic environment, the challenges are unique, but so too are the opportunities. Life under the sea is not just about survival, but about innovation and adaptation. Yet the dominant species may not be one we typically associate with intelligence or social structure. What if the dominant species is one we rarely consider? Insects. Yes, those tiny creatures we often overlook, yet they are everywhere, thriving in every corner of the world. Imagine the vast colonies of ants, each numbering in the millions, even billions. These tiny creatures are incredibly adaptable, able to survive in the harshest of environments, from scorching deserts to freezing tundra. They have complex social structures, with each ant performing a specific role for the benefit of the colony. In fact, ants are one of the few species other than humans that engage in agriculture and warfare, raising aphids for food and battling other colonies for resources. Or consider bees, the tireless workers that keep our world in bloom. Their complex communication methods, intricate hive structures, and vital role in pollination make them an essential cog in the ecosystem's wheel. Without humans, they could potentially flourish, increasing their numbers and expanding their territories, ensuring the survival and prosperity of plant life. Insects are also masters of survival. They've been around for hundreds of millions of years, weathering mass extinctions and drastic climate changes. They've adapted to life in the air, on land, and in water. Their sheer numbers alone are staggering, with estimates suggesting there could be quintillions of insects alive at any one time. But it's not just about numbers. Insects play a crucial role in the ecosystem. They're pollinators, decomposers, and a food source for other creatures. They help control pests and recycle nutrients back into the soil. Without them, life as we know it would cease to exist. If humans were to disappear, insects, with their adaptability, resilience, and sheer numbers, could potentially dominate the world. They are already the unseen rulers of our planet, playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature. So the question remains open-ended, and it's fascinating to ponder the endless possibilities. As we've seen, predicting the dominant species without humans is no easy task. We've journeyed through hypothetical reigns of apes, explored underwater kingdoms, and even considered the unseen microorganisms as potential rulers of the world. Each of these potential successors brings a unique set of traits to the table. Apes, with their intelligence and physical strength, might rise to dominance on land. The vast and diverse marine life could take over the underwater realms, their adaptability and sheer population size giving them an edge. And let's not forget the microorganisms, their invisibility and environmental suitability, making them a wild card in this speculative game of thrones. Yet it's crucial to remember that dominance isn't simply about who's the strongest or the smartest. It's a complex interplay of countless factors, each as vital as the next. Remember, this is a thought experiment, a hypothetical scenario that offers us a new perspective on our own dominance. And it reminds us of our responsibility to share this planet with other species. If you found this video intriguing, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.